Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to review Robin Liquid Blue. So let's get started. What a liquid blue does, it actually improves the brightness of your white fabric by adding a blue pigment that counteracts the natural yellowing. So this 75 ml bottle has MRP of 31 and it is seal packed. So I made a small hole by a hot knife. I can pour it in drops, and this is suitable for the white cotton, synthetic and blends, and it can be used for both machine wash and hand wash. Let me show you how easy it is to use. So for hand washing, take half bucket of water and add 4 drops of liquid blue. Since I have taken less water here, I'll use just 2 drops and it dissolves evenly instantly. Now dip your already washed clothes into this solution and dip a one by one only, not in one chunk. Dip and lift up the clothes 3-4 times to ensure that the blue spreads evenly. Once done, gently squeeze out the water and dry the clothes in the shade. You can also use this in the washing machine. Just add 4-5 drops in the last rinse cycle and let your machine run. That's it. Your clothes will look super bright and white. This subtle blue tint enhances the brightness of white fabric, making them appear vibrant to the eye. And worried about the accident spills? No, even if a drop of liquid blue is dropped on your skin or fabric, don't worry. It's not harmful on your skin. It may leave a temporary mark, but that will also fade away in a day. So overall, it's gentle on hands, work well on clothes, and a good product. I think you should give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.